Let's talk about Helldivers error code put a fix. Mission failed to load in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
Often the simplest explanation is the right one before diving into complex fixes. Always check if the Helldivers servers themselves are experiencing issues. Head over to the official Helldivers Twitter or Arrowhead Game Studios social media for real-time updates. If the servers are down for everyone, there's nothing on your end that can fix it, so just grab a cup of liver tea and wait it out patiently.
It might sound glitch, but turning it off and on again is a Helldiver's best friend. Fully close out of Helldivers. Then restart your game and your PlayStation console. While you're at it, give your router and modem a quick power cycle to unplug them for about 2 seconds before plugging them back in. This often clears up temporary network glitches that can cause connection errors like sometimes corrupted or missing game files can lead to deployment failures and mission load issues on launch. Steam, right-click Helldivers, go to Properties, then Install Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files for PlayStation users. While there isn't a direct Verify option, ensure your game is fully updated and consider reinstalling. If issues persist after other steps, this process ensures your game installation is pristine and ready for battle. Error code often points to network-related snags between your system and the game servers. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection, if possible, as it provides a more stable link and reduces potential interference. You might also consider flushing your cache or even temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus to see if they are interfering with the game's connection. Just remember to re-enable security features afterwards for optimal protection against bug attacks.